Remember typewriters? They were once every writer's best friend. However, as we embraced the digital age, something interesting happened. Typewriters didn't just disappear, they evolved. You might think they're just relics of the past, but they are making a surprising comeback among enthusiasts who crave the tactile satisfaction of clacking keys. What's behind this resurgence? For many, it's about simplicity and focus. In a world buzzing with notifications, typewriters eliminate distractions and bring you back to the pure joy of writing. Plus, they add an element of nostalgia and creativity, turning writing into both a visual and auditory experience. For instance, some writers find using a typewriter helps combat writer's block, as the mechanical interaction can spark inspiration in a way keyboards simply can't. So, are you ready to ditch the screen and embrace the clatter? Next time you think about typewriters, remember, they never truly left. They simply adapted to our changing needs, continuing to inspire creativity.